Deborah,
Yes,
can I see my client now?
yes, one moment.
Okay, we're live on YouTube, so if anyone wants to become an opera singer, this is your chance. Just saying. Oh,
Oh,
ADA Rodriguez, did you speak with Attorney Gear?
no.
Okay, can you please go back in breakout room 6?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Abe, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 2.
All right, thanks.
Miss Deborah Heidi McCumber is ready to plea whenever the court is.
Okay.
I have us live on YouTube. If we're ready to do it, Debbie, is it a good time? Can we do it or not?
Yes, Judge, and then after that, ADA Rodriguez can go on breakout room 6.
Oh, that's right. We're waiting for the ADA to come out of the breakout room.
No, he's right there, Judge.
So let me pull up the paperwork on McCumber on my screen. Okay, and I'm looking for McCumber on my paper docket.
Hi.
Hello. Miss McCumber's got 2 cases. What's
Yes,
happening?
Judge. It's a JSAT and a TIC.
Which is being TIC, please?
The criminal trespass.
Okay. Okay. Hold on 1 minute. Miss McCumber, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. I do swear.
Thank you. I'm going to put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. You see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Is your name Heidi McCumber?
Yes, sir. It is.
Are you the same Heidi McCumber who in this cause number 2025 CC 010680, who stands charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
I think so, sir.
Well, you have to know. Is it you or not you?
Is it Waterburger?
Ma'am, I don't
Yeah,
know.
yes, sir. It was me.
Okay. This case is a Class B, Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir. I do.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir. It is.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Not before today. No, I didn't.
Today, did you go over this document with your attorney?
No, I didn't.
Well,
Heidi,
you go
Heidi, do you recall us going over those
Yes.
different
Oh,
worksheets?
yes, 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 yes. I thought you meant did we read and then yes, yes, we did.
Okay. Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, he did.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir. I do.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir. I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I do.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay, let's look at your paper. Is it a guilty plea, Mr. Swart?
Yeah, it is, Judge.
Okay, hold on. 1 minute.
I think it's written in there in the back.
All right, so you should be the other way around. 1 minute, man, let me.
You walk over here. No, you won't fall. I want you to fall down. I don't know you. You don't know the game? I do, but I got.
Okay, has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, they haven't.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, if somebody promises something in order to get you to do this,
No, no, sir, they haven't.
are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please accept the bargain?
Yes, Your Honor, it's a $0 fine, 31 days, Bear County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and take into consideration 2025 CC 010689, and I believe she has enough to satisfy the judgment.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Swart?
It is, Judge.
Do you agree with this, Ms. McCumber?
Yes, sir, I do.
And Ms. McCumber, in cause number 2025 CC 010680, where you're charged with the offense of criminal mischief. In that case, the court having heard your plea of guilty on that point, the court finds you guilty. I file a plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 31 days. Time is concurrent and the judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 205. One zero 689. That means that case will be dismissed and returned for your plea in this case.
Yes,
All
sir.
right,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Swart.
These are the only cases, Judge.
If these are the only cases holding you, man, then you should be released sometime today. Mr.
Thank
Rodriguez,
you.
that dismissal by the end of the week. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Good luck to you, man.
Thank you, you too.
All right, Ms. Heidi, go ahead, go back.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you can be excused, Mr. Swart. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Hey, Rodriguez, can you move to breakout room 6, please?
Okay, I don't see a button to,
Look for the 3 dots on, and then scroll down and you'll see breakout room 6 again.
three buttons, three dots.
3 dots.
On the bottom right of your screen,
Mm-hmm.
Click on that and scroll down.
Okay.
okay, Abe Garza is ready on Alvarado. Can we take that? Or is no, Mr. Rodriguez Diaz in the conference room right now. Hold on.
Where's your coat, Judge?
You know, I came in from vacation and I drank all my Cokes. I didn't have any at
I'm
home.
gonna need Alvarado at the
Okay.
bench, but we're waiting
I'm
on the
having
state.
Hold on, withdrawal.
Yeah, but he could sit at the bench right now. Oh, sorry, Judge. I didn't know who was unmuted.
That's all right. So I'm having
Attorney Jackson, do you have an offer?
So I do, but my client's on parole and he seems to think that there's some issues. So we're just gonna ask for this to go back to the regular court.
Hey, what's your client's name? Is that Carmona?
I'm sorry, no, it's one second, sorry.
It
It
Raul?
is
is Raul.
Raul Carmona. Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna get reset here.
Yeah, if we could push it back to what kind of court? 4.
Oh, okay, so no agreement sent back.
Yes.
You don't want it back here. Okay.
Okay,
Enough.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, and we're still waiting on Mr. Rodriguez. No, so no Coca-Cola, Abe. I'm just having the shakes, man. I'm having withdrawals. It's really bad.
This is
I'm
a
biting
first.
my fingernails.
I've never seen you without a Coke.
I know it's terrible.
This is not like you.
I know. I'm gonna fly off the handle any minute now.
Going through withdrawals.
I
How
am.
long have I known you? 40 years. I think I've known you over 40 years. And
You always have a Coca-Cola in the morning. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's my caffeine. My mom didn't let us drink coffee because she thought it would make us short. We ended up being Coca-Cola addicts instead.
Yeah.
Go pick. Everyone else drinks coffee.
Well, they're going to change to a sugar cane.
Yeah, that's one good one did, isn't it? And I wonder if it'll be any cheaper because the Mexican Cokes that have the sugar cost like $1.50, $1.60 a bottle. That's crazy. But I don't drink those anyway. I drink the Coke Zeros because I really can't eat sugar. Okay. Okay, Debbie, can you pop in there and tell Mr. we have a plea ready to go? We could hurry it up a little bit. So, now she's muted.
Yes, Judge, sorry.
Yeah, if you can go in there and ask Mr. Rodriguez to hurry it up because we have a plea ready.
Okay, can I check if Cornelius has an offer?
Sure.
Attorney Cornelius Cox, do you have an offer?
Yeah, this is one that we reset from last week because the state couldn't contact the victim.
Yes, this is the one.
So all the paperwork is in. We just couldn't, they just didn't contact the victim.
You have to because I don't have it on my I'm just letting you know.
You don't have the paperwork, Judge?
Not on my screen, no, sir.
All right. Because before I left last week, I asked, did I have to redo it? And they told me I didn't have to redo the paper. All paperwork was done.
Yes. Do you need to speak with your client this morning
No,
to go
we're
over
ready
the
to go.
paperwork?
No, we went over it. The only problem was that the state couldn't locate the victim. And they couldn't do the plea. And Judge O'Connor couldn't take a plea because the state wouldn't allow us to do it. So everything is done.
Okay, do you need to check with the state real quick to see? Are you
I
ready to
can.
go?
They said they would contact the victim by today, by the weekend. You can put me in the breakout room with you.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, we got the DA now confirmed with 2 lawyers, so we got to wait for him to finish confirming. You're muted, but it's okay.
Judge, I just sent a reminder to you on Cornelius Cox's paperwork.
Okay, I've got it on my screen now.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you there?
Steele?
Yes, Attorney Gear, I just put you in breakout room 3 with your client.
Oh, Deb, you can send her back. She's on felony probation. So this charge is gonna trigger an MTR. So talking to Dan, we're gonna take care of both of them in the felony court.
Okay, we'll send it back. Thank
Okay.
you.
Appreciate
Send
you.
back. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay. So okay, Mr. Cox, you're back. I've got your paperwork on my screen now.
Right. Well, and I spoke to the DA, judge. They're still not ready. They still haven't contacted the victim, so they're not willing to plea it out. So
Okay.
they said they'll agree to a PR bond with me for the point.
You'll have to go back to the original court to do that, Mr. Cox. Okay.
All right. So I'm
Sorry.
saying it's that's why last week same story. So thank you, Judge.
Okay, I'm sorry. Sent back, no agreement. I suggest you go talk to that judge in that court.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now can we do the plea on Mr. I believe it's Alvarado?
Yes, sir.
Debbie, can I go ahead and do that plea? Or do you need to?
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
Okay. So I'm going to pull up Alvarado's paperwork on my screen. Okay, Mr. Alvarado, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Dominic Alvarado?
Yes, sir.
We the same Dominic Alvarado, who in this cause number 704-574, who is charged with the offense of interference with an emergency request for assistance.
Yes.
This case is I believe, a Class A misdemeanor. And for a Class A misdemeanor, it is possible that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir, I do.
We have a document entitled Defendant's Consent by Video. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Go over this document with your attorney.
Yes, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir, I do.
Hold on, let me sign this. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
Now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir, I understand.
So then, to the offense of interference with emergency request for assistance. How do you plead, sir?
No
Guilty or no contest?
no contest.
Hold on 1 minute. And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Forced you to enter this plea.
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please?
Yes, Your Honor, $0 fine, court cost, 19 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and there should be enough for judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Garza?
That is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Alvarado?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Alvarado, the court having heard you plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 19 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. You know, if this is the only case holding your client, Abe?
That is, Your Honor. He's taking care of everything else.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tell the deputies we'll finish your case and maybe you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a blessed day.
Okay, Judge, take it easy. May I be excused?
Go have a Coke for me, man.
All right.
Judge, next is Garza, Rogelio Garza, Attorney Tennyson.
Yes, Judge. I've spoken with Mr. Garza. We don't have an agreement. We'd like it to be sent back to County Court 5.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Excuse me, County Court 9.
Was there something I said?
No, something I said. I just wanted to be clear that it was me.
I'm just joking with you. It's all right.
You have a good day, Judge.
Yeah.
Okay, Judge, next is Admire, Attorney Bettis.
Okay, Ms. Perez. Ms. Perez, are you ready on the plea on that case?
Yes, Your Honor. We have an agreement with the state.
Hello? Hello?
Okay. Hello. Mr. Admire, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
You swear a testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Michael Admire?
Yes, sir.
You say Michael Admire when this cause number 2025 CC 010640, who's charged with the offense of failure to identify by giving false information. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
I believe this is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, you signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Attorney explain it to you.
Yes, sir.
You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of failure to identify, how do you plead, sir?
No contest.
No contest. No contest?
Relax, calm down.
Okay, hold on. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain, that's another gap. Besides that, if someone promises something in order to get you to do this.
They just told me they made an agreement other day.
All right, let me do this again. Besides the plea bargain, I know you got a plea bargain, but besides that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Is there a plea bargain?
Yes, Your Honor.
$0 fine, court cost, 30 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent.
Is it satisfied?
I don't know how many days he has, Your Honor.
He's been in since June 14th or July 14th, so we're asking the court to find it satisfied.
How many days did he have, Debbie? Or Cassie?
I'm showing 25.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and judgment status. So do you agree to that, Ms. Pettis?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree to that, Mr. Admire?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Admire, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I filed the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 30 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
I believe so, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. And Ms. Pettis, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I sent a dismissal to the clerk for Heidi McCumber.
I think it needs to come to me. I don't know how you do that, but you're the head of the section, so you should know this, okay?
Well, the last time I was here, I sent it to the clerk, and the clerk sent it to you for a signature.
Is that the way it works, Cassie?
It's an odd. I sent it to the clerk through Odyssey, through the queue.
Okay. I'm sorry, Ms. Rodriguez, but it needs to go to me so I can sign it, and I send it to the clerk. That's the way it normally goes when I've been here before. So we don't want this guy held up in court because there's not a dismissal sign. Did you get it, Cassie?
I don't see it. I don't think no, I don't see anything.
Judge, you
Okay.
can take this off of YouTube.
Are we through with the pleas?
Yes, sir.
What happened to Ruben Ugaldi?
Ms. Kramer emailed me. She said there's no offer and he has court Wednesday in person.
So no offer. Okay. So that takes care of that docket. So I can take us off YouTube. Woo!
And